are pleased to show you the 2021 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, dual rear wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, auxiliary audio input. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.